In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Microsoft Teams. By the end, you'll have your workspace connected, so updates and collaboration flow smoothly between both tools. For this walkthrough, make sure you're signed into your ClickUp workspace and that you have access to a Microsoft Teams or Office 365 account. If your organization has admin controls, you might need approval to proceed, so it's helpful to check that ahead of time. Start in ClickUp. Look to the top left corner of your screen for your workspace name. Click it to open the Workspace menu, then choose Settings. This takes you to the central hub where you manage features, preferences, and integrations. If you work across multiple workspaces, double-check that you're in the correct one before continuing so the integration connects to the right place. Within Settings, find and open the App Center. The App Center is where ClickUp organizes all its integrations and add-ons. Think of it as the marketplace for connecting ClickUp to your other tools. It's designed to make setup as easy as clicking and confirming, and you'll see a searchable list of apps you can enable. Now, locate Microsoft Teams. You can scroll through the list, but the fastest way is to use the search bar and type Microsoft Teams. When it appears in the results, click it to open the integration page. Here, you'll see a short description of what the integration does, along with any notes from ClickUp about features or requirements. Reviewing this page is a great way to confirm you're enabling the right connection for your workflow. Next, connect Teams. Click Connect. You'll be prompted to sign in to your Microsoft Teams or Office 365 account. If you're already signed in your browser, you may be redirected automatically. Otherwise, enter your credentials for the account associated with your Teams environment. After that, you'll see a permissions screen. Carefully review the requested permissions and click Allow. These permissions let ClickUp send updates and actions to Teams, and they're required for the integration to function. If you get an admin approval message, contact your IT administrator to grant access and then return to finish the connection. Once approved, the integration completes, and your ClickUp workspace is linked to Microsoft Teams. From here, you can start taking advantage of the connection to streamline communication and keep everyone aligned without switching tools. And that's how you integrate ClickUp with Microsoft Teams. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.